Framing intersecting interior walls, right, is the secret sauce to solid corners and smooth drywall finishes you actually want to brag about. So, when you're setting up those intersecting walls, start by slapping an extra stud right at the intersection point. This gives you a solid anchor. Then, throw in a channel or ladder block between studs to back the drywall and keep everything sturdy. Don't just guess on spacing. Make sure everything is snug and attached tight to the main wall frame so it won't wobble later. Using good nails or screws is clutch here. You want those joints to stay put over time. Also, plan your framing so that drywall edges hit the studs perfectly for a clean finish without struggling to screw into thin air. Remember, it's not just about strength, but also making the corner look sharp once the drywall goes up. Take your time measuring and cutting each piece. Crooked cuts can mess up the whole look. And hey, don't forget to check local building codes so your work passes inspection without a hitch. One of the biggest slip-ups is not adding that extra stud at the intersection, which makes corners weak and drywall prone to cracking. Just add that stud and problem solved. Another common mistake is skipping the ladder blocking or channel. Without it, drywall edges have nothing to hold on to, so the fix is simple. Install blocking between studs to back your drywall. The third issue I see is using weak fasteners or not securing the framing tight enough. This makes walls shaky and corners uneven. Grab quality screws or nails and drive them in firmly to lock everything down. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners who want to connect with trustworthy local contractors without the hassle. Contractors get a leg up too, finding steady work from folks who actually need their skills, making it a win-win for everyone involved.